Alrighty, we're going to discuss the other Dyson vacuum cleaners and how much power they have as far as airflow. And as I discussed earlier in the previous video, the importance and the difference between suction and airflow. Airflow being that which cleans deeply versus suction, which is a static pressure that has nothing to do with deep cleaning. And what I have over here is the Dyson Ball Vacuum. It's their cute little new vacuum cleaner. And it definitely is cute. And we're going to test it on the gauge here to see how much power it has. And you can see what it's pulling. No, that's not a mistake. That's the amount of power it has. It pulls just barely about a 1. And again, we'll compare it to this other model, just so you get a direct comparison. You can see how it pulls all the way up to basically a 7. Almost heading to the 8. And now what I'm going to show you, this is the vacuum that I was talking about earlier. This is a vacuum made by Simplicity. The way that their filtration system works is they use a HEPA filter bag. So the advantage of that is that the filtration takes place before the motor, protecting that motor from the fine dust, which of course extends its life. And as far as cleaning power is concerned, let's hook it up and see what it pulls. As you can see, it goes all the way to the 19. Now, Simplicity also has a 2-motor vacuum cleaner, and the unique design allows one motor to be pushing the dirt in and the other one pulling the dirt in, which gives it a synergetic effect, which is why they call it the Synergy design. As you can see on the nozzle right here, it says Synergy. But anyway, we're going to simply hook this one up and see what kind of power it has. Eight and a half, almost to the 9. Now this motor here that I hooked up is just one of the motors that you're using for when you're using the attachments. Now to test the other motor, this motor is actually blowing air through, or pulling air in, and we're going to test it next. And all I do is simply insert this. So this is the motor that's down in here, and the air is going this direction. As you can see, it pulls all the way up to right to the 17. So what we would do is simply add the first motor that was pulling 8.5 with the 17, and you combine those numbers to get your total power, which is roughly 25. So that's what makes this the most powerful vacuum cleaner on the market today, is the synergetic effect of 2 motors working in tandem to give you maximum amount of airflow and efficiency. Anyway, that's basically the test I wanted to show you, and anyway, I'll have more for you later.